Alright, dude. Go trip over a knife.
My boy, my boy, my boy. Don't love me like you promised.
Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. About the title, it's inspired by SZA's Control. I think that's how you say it, don't know, CTRL. Her album. I love SZA so much, and she's just such a queen. Like, I want to see her in concert. She's coming to my city, but like, I don't know if I'm able to go. I really want to. This is also a collab with one of my really good friends on YouTube, Natalia Ruiz. You guys probably already know her because she's more famous than me. But yeah, make sure you guys go check out her video and her channel, and make sure to leave a little comment saying that you came from me so I know. Yeah, so I'm gonna just get on with this tutorial. Okay, you're gonna start off by priming your eyelids with whatever you want to use. You can use eyeshadow primer. I'm using concealer. Hey, what I'm about to say. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my, as always, take me back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna start off with the lighting screen and then going down. There's many greens. I'm gonna start off this one and then just go down, but only using the mattes. Some of them are a bit shimmery, so I'm just gonna only use this one, and this one, and we're gonna make a green color. But I'm gonna actually put yellow first to make sure it's like brighter. But snowing outside. It was just like 50 degrees the other day, so love this weather. This is like really arch. I don't know. My eyebrows been stupid lately. The blue like my blue eyeshadow look, I like my eyebrows in that. They actually looked related, so that was pretty cool for once. But I'm gonna start off with this yellow, and I'm just gonna add that into my crease. And this is gonna be a half cut crease. I always do half cut crease or halo eyes. Unoriginal, yes, I know. You can't even see it on camera, but it's just a bit yellow, and my dogs are barking. But like, what's new? Like, what's new? And I'm gonna start off with this light lime green, because we're trying to make a light green fade effect. Like you, boy. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this next green, which is way close to the type of green that she has in her thing. It's like that type of green. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I use this yellow, this green, and this green. And then now I'm gonna use this green to just kind of darken it up a bit, make it more blue toned. Okay, I'm gonna take my Morphe 35O palette. I'm gonna take this brown color and just kind of add that in, focus it right on the crease line. And then you're gonna take your big brush. I'm gonna take the last green that I took, and I'm just gonna blend it. This is coming to my city, but probably not gonna be able to go. Really sad about it. Like, I love SZA so much, but it's fine. It used to be so hard to see. Not my best blending. Okay, so now we're gonna do the half cut. I'm gonna take this creamy looking color, and I'm just gonna set it. I can't wait to be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan and you'll be mine, but I still wanna break your heart and make you cry. Now I'm gonna take that one small blending brush that we were using. Okay, I'm gonna take that same brown. I'm just gonna put it on this outer corner. Then I'm gonna take that big fluffy brush and blend it with the green once again. My stomach kind of hurts right now, so I'm sorry. I have cramps. Yes, we love one cramping queen. Yo, no perfecto. I don't even know what I was saying. Don't you worry, don't worry, girl. Next, I'm gonna take my NYX liquid white eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a line where the cut is. I've never used this before, so guys, pray for me. That like was so thick for no reason. Okay, I'm gonna do this eyeliner afterwards, after I do my face makeup, so I'll be back. I'm so ugly. Okay, so this is the final look. It's this green eye look. It has the brown in the outer part, a lighter brown, white eyeliner, green, and everything that's in that, what is it called? Album cover. I used Sexy Mother Pucker, a lip gloss. It's like a lip plumper too. It's by Soap and Glory. And it's in Spun Sugar. So pretty. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then subscribe for more. Yeah, follow all my social medias at Maddie, and make sure to subscribe to Nat and watch her video and like it and everything and follow all her social medias because she's amazing and she's one of my good internet friends, good YouTube friends. And yeah, I look really busted, but like we don't need to talk about it. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Don't know why I'm singing, but I am. And yeah, okay.
Alright, dude. Go trip over a knife.
My boy, my boy, my boy.